My name is Kirby,
Ayan.
Hi, Kuya
and I will
Kirby.
be your tour guide for today's activity. So, so this activity will take only 3 hours. So basically, first activity will go to the plant nursery where the chocolate started grow, and the second activity that will be you will harvest your own cacao pod. Yes. And then the next activity, you will open the cacao pod and taste what's inside. And then the fourth activity, we will go to the drying area, and lastly, you will make your own chocolate bar.
Yay!
Okay, so are you guys ready?
Are
Kuya,
you
ate?
ready?
Okay.
Hindi
so,
yata ready. Wait.
sir?
Are you ready?
Are you alright? Are you guys ready, Kuya?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Right this way, please. So before I will discuss on how we planted the cacao tree or the cacao seeds, so we will go on a step back. So basically cacao tree or cacao pod is basically not originated here in the Philippines. It's originated in the South Americans, where the Mayans and the Aztecs founded the fruit. Okay, so so the Aztec and the Mayans, they collected the seeds and they used it as a currency. So one seed is equivalent to one avocado, and 3 seed is equivalent to 1 turkey egg. Okay, so write this way, please. Twins po. Okay, so once we planted the seeds, Kuya and Ate, we will put this on a seedling bags, and once in 2 weeks time they will look like this, Yes. Yeah, so this is what we called the lollipop stage, since they look like a lollipop once they grow a little bit in 2 weeks time. So in 1 to 2 months time they will look like this one, and in 3 months time at their age we will basically use the grafting method. So are you guys familiar with the grafting method or no? No. Okay, so I have an example right here.
Sweet me.
Okay, so this is the example of the grafting method. So yes, so you can touch this one. So this one right here, this is the baby roots or the baby branch. So once they grew 3 months time, we will put the mature branch and let them attach. So basically we will cut that one in the middle, and we will what you call this, put it together and wrap it with a cling wrap. So in 6 months time they will look like that one right there, Kuya.
To expedite the process. Ayun.
So as you can see here, once we planted the seeds, we will cover them with plastic shoots so that they will grow faster, because they will grow faster in the dark.
So,
Mature,
from here,
mature na to.
yan yung
They connect it
grafting.
with the
With the young one. Tignan mo.
Yeah.
Yan. Correct. Ayan siya. Grafting ang tawag dyan para mapabilis
para
yung
mapabilis yung
pag-grow.
Because if you don't use the grafting method,
It will take how many
yes,
years?
it will take time to grow, and the matured cacao tree will take 5 years. While we use the grafting method, it's like a faster process. So once they will grow, it will take only 3 years. So basically, every cacao tree they live 200 years, and they will only produce a healthy cacao pod in only 25 years.
Okay, the first 25 years.
Yes.
If it's not grafted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
But if it's grafted,
4 years.
4 years lang.
Yes. So that is why we use the grafting method, just to do the fasting process.
Yung ginagawa nila, Kuya.
Yes, that's the one. Oh, just right there, Kuya.
25 years para magkaroon ng bunga.
Yes.
But then,
Short
how
and
many
sweet
years
for-
again if it's shorter, if it's grafted?
That will be 4 years now.
4 years lang.
And that is why we use the
mushroom.
bigger seeds, so that we have the assurance
Mommy, may
that we
mushroom.
will have
Mommy,
the
may
healthy
mushroom.
tree
Asan?
and
Ay,
the
oo.
healthy
May mushroom sa plant.
Listen tayo kay Kuya. Listen tayo kay Kuya.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Iba yung nakikita eh.
Yes. there's
So
a
bigger seeds,
mushroom.
did you hear that? They plant the bigger seeds for higher chances that it will grow.
Since they are grafted, we will cover it with plastic.
Ayan, may plastic na to.
Yes. We will cover this with plastic so that it will not be contaminated with water. Because once it's contaminated with water, the grafting method will be unsuccessful. Yeah. Crollo is the queen of all cacao pods.
What's the name
So-
again, kids?
Yes, what's the first name? Crollo. Crollo.
Crollo.
Yes, so basically Crollo has the better texture, bitterness, and sweetness. Ah, there's a frog.
Frog.
You're scared of a frog?
No, they love it.
Yes.
It's dead.
But the disadvantage of the Crollo is since this a queen of the cacao pod because of the rarity. So basically there's only 5% Crollo has been grown all over the world.
Oh, do we have it? Do we have Crollo here?
Yes sir, in here we have. Yes. And the second one, that will be the Forastero. So the Forastero is the opposite of the Crollo. It is a highest yielding, but the bitterness is not that great. Since the Forastero, all chocolate all around the world that you know, they come from the
let's see then.
Forastero.
Okay, so
Yeah, so once they make the
Forastero.
chocolate, that is why they put preservatives or chocolate flavoring to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. Just like a Cadbury, Toblerone.
Yeah.
And the third one, that would be the Trinitario. So the Trinitario is the combination of the two. It has the better sweetness, bitterness, and texture. And it's also a high yielding. So all around here that you see, this is from Trinitario.
Say it again. Trinitario.
Crollo.
So
You
what
only
are
want
the
Crollo.
Three types of cacao pods. Can you tell me?
No, go ate.
Go ate. Crollo, Tero,
Forastero.
and the last one. Very good. As you can see here in the nursery, there are a lots of shading. Since in South America, just like the Amazon forest, there's a lot of shading. So basically, we put temporary shading, just like banana trees, mango trees, and also cacao trees. I mean coconut trees. In 6 months' time, they are ready to transfer to their original place, and in few years' time, they will look like that one.
Which one? Ayun daw, oh. Dito na.
Yeah, so that is the
That's the transition now.
that is the
Planted ulit.
yes. So basically, we planted it 3 meters apart, so that
They have space to grow.
and also they have the liquid stage.
Well, that's basically how you plant trees, 3 meters apart.
Yes, ma'am. Since we use the grafting method. If we don't use the grafting method, that will be 5 meters apart. And as you all know, in 1 year of cacao tree, they only produce 50 cacao pods, healthy cacao pods.
So, learning this, you can only have 1 bite per day of chocolate, okay?
No.
No.
Excited? For this tour, it's our first
First
time.
time.
Gusto ko lang din pakita sa kanila yung soil to table experience.
In the fifth activity, we will use the traditional way of making chocolates.
Nice, that's what I want to show them. So that we can agree on having 1 bite of chocolate per day.
Yes, only 1 bite because it will damage your teeth in the future.
One
Yes,
bite
and-
of Mars, it means eat the whole bar.
Because you will realize that it's so difficult to make a chocolate.
Don't go to work hard to make your own chocolate.
Is dito pala marirealize na ganito pala. We have to walk and then we have to pound later. Now, I'll just have 1 bite.
I don't care how long it takes to make chocolate. Bakit si Willy Wonka ang bilis-bilis niyang gumawa ng chocolate?
Para you will savor every bite of it now, from now on.
Eh si Willy Wonka isang ganun lang, chocolate niya.
You want to be like Willy Wonka the Eye?
chocolate factory.
are clones. So basically that right
May
there
banana, oh.
is a mix from Malaysia and Indonesia clone. And in the other side that will be in the with the Valenzuela and the Costa Rica.
Venezuela,
Yeah.
South American.
And in years will go by, they will produce their own flowers. So right, this one right here. Come.
Oh, come here. Flowers. Ito yung flowers. Oh.
So this is their flower. Yes, it's very small. So since honeybees is very big for them to pollinate it, the ones will
May bahay.
yes. So the ones who pollinated it, that will be the midgets or the ants.
Oh, the ants?
Yes, the black and red ones.
So ants pala, not necessarily bees.
Mm-hmm. And as per the midgets, that will be just like a little mosquitoes. So that will be the one they will pollinated it. So in months goes by, if they pollinated it and the photosynthesis will happen, they will produce this little cacao pod right here.
Look at that. It's right here. Ito
Yes.
pa po na pala.
That one right there.
Akala ko mami din to, orange kulay, tas hindi din to.
Ayan pala muna.
Yes.
Ito, nakita niyo ba to? See?
Yes,
Did you see it?
Yun yung
Okay.
pinatay nila yan.
that's your little
Yes.
chocolate right there.
Oo, yeah. Here.
Yes.
And then?
So in months goes by, in 11 months they will grow like that one.
11.
We will once the cacao pod is ready to harvest.
Color orange.
Take a guess. How
Take a
big should
guess.
it be?
Oh, may
Color
banana
orange.
doon.
Is it ready to harvest?
May banana.
Is it when it's brown?
Ayun oh.
What color? Asan? Ito, it's ready to harvest na daw, this one. Ready to harvest. Ikaw ah.
If it's green,
No. Well, once it will turn yellowish,
Yellow.
yes, that is the time it's ready to harvest. So we will harvest it 70% ripeness.
Not full
if-
pala.
Since cacao pods will not drop at their own, that is why we will harvest it manually. So if it's overripe, it will damage the tree.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
What will happen to the tree if it's overripe?
Well, mom, great question, mom. So basically, it will the virus will spread.
Okay.
Yes, because of the damaged cacao pod.
Color red are from South America.
Yes, that is from Venezuela.
This one is from Venezuela.
Yes,
the
and the
red
other
ones.
side there are all greens.
Malaysia.
So Malaysia and Indonesia. I'll go in to check first, mom. Okay.
Alright.
Because sometimes there are snakes in this area. Not yet, mom?
Not yet.
Yeah. So maybe we'll go to the other cacao
I
tree
found
farm.
one.
Go there. Go there. Just wait for me. Don't
And your step.
yes, sir.
For this variety, since it's already green,
So this
How
one
would you
here,
know?
mom, is Malaysia and Indonesia.
okay.
Yeah, so we will find a yellowish one for you
Still
guys to
yellowish.
harvest. Oh, that is a little one. What you call this? The yellowish one. The seed will be the seeds will be wasted.
Oh, sayang.
Yes, because the white pulp inside is not yet ready liquidy. So we will find for you. Aha!
Ato na. Ato na.
Found one. So who wants to go first? Let Ate go first, okay? Let Ate go
Kasi
first.
si ate yung nakasagot kanina ng 3 types of chocolate.
Yeah. To cut this little branch right here, okay? So that the
Yes.
cacao pod will not be damaged. Yes, that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cut. Very good. Okay, you can hold your cacao pod. Okay, can you hold this?
everyone.
Good job.
Oh, that is still not
Overripe.
working. Be careful with the scissors, okay? So I want you to cut this one right here. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, cut. Go, go. There, very good. Here you go.
Ang laki ng Jesus.
It's heavier. Can you give me my cacao?
Okay, we'll find another
Wala.
one.
Last one.
Go, Zion. Take the challenge.
Last one? No.
Find a yellow
Last
cacao
three.
fruit.
Okay, so I want you to cut right when that one right there, okay? So 1, 2, 3, cut. Go, go.
Ang hirap yata.
Very good. Here you
Good
go.
job, Zion.
Okay, be careful with your cacao pad, okay?
Ano kay Zion?
1, 2, 3.
Ayan.
Good job, mommy.
Tapos yung isa, mababa sana ulit.
Okay, so I'll show you how to cut
Pakita ni
one,
Kuya.
okay? So I want you to do just push and roll.
Try
So
kumakaan doon sa taas.
push
Push.
and roll. So be careful with your hands. So let the knife do the work.
Ay, may naans dito.
Here, just like that
May
one.
naans dito.
Okay?
Alam ko na yan.
Mm-hmm.
There, push and roll.
So when you open it,
Wow!
so let daddy help you, okay?
Ito.
Mm-hmm.
Mami, patang ayaw ko na
Push
to.
and
So
roll.
daddy will support you.
Hawakan mo lang muna, mamaya.
Push.
Sige na.
And 1, 2, 3.
Be
Tapos
careful.
roll.
Gusto ko yun.
Excuse me.
Yan, roll ba? Roll ba?
Excuse me. Careful with your hand, anak. Take turns, please.
Mm-hmm.
Other side.
Isa ba, isa ba?
Nandun lang.
Yes. And
Wow! Wow, ang sarap! Sarap tingnan, no?
Ako naman.
Ito yan ha, you will have to eat
Mm-hmm.
what you
Try mo nga.
open.
Try mo nga siya.
Try mo na, try mo na.
So just suck the white pulp,
Oh,
okay?
now-
Don't
Hold on,
bite
Zion.
those
Wait.
seeds.
Sasak mo lang yung
muna.
ano. Ay, huwag mo puna sa damit mo.
Mm.
Puna sa damit.
Suck it. Get it and put it in your mouth. Just suck it, okay? Don't eat it. And don't bite the seeds.
Describe the taste. How does it taste?
You don't like the taste?
Mapakla. Mapakla. Yan, tapos roll. Eh, dali, wait lang. Ibalik mo. Roll, roll. Roll,
Ah,
roll.
sakit. Nilipit.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Roll, roll.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hello.
Roll. 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 Ah, get it, get it. Get mo. Open mo na.
Wala pa. Wala pa eh.
Roll, roll. Yay! There, that's roll.
Yes.
Careful with your
Careful with your
finger.
hands.
Diba? Roll. Yan, okay na. Ano na open?
Kulang pa, kulang
Ah,
pa.
isa pa, isa pa, isa pa.
Kulang pa.
Careful with your hands.
Ayan. Ay, bukas.
Ouch! Kung titamaan mo kamay ko. Sakit na.
You want to harvest this?
Yes.
Oh, I mean, cut some of the cacao pods. Okay.
Oh, here.
Ay.
There. Oh. Hold it. Taste it.
Ayaw ko.
Ay, mali ang sentro ko.
Okay, it's okay.
Hindi ako tumatama.
Sugat-sugatan na yan. There.
Taste it.
It's a bit sweet.
Saan yung dura?
Ikaw taste.
Masarap.
Sa gilid lang.
And just suck the white pulp.
Sweet.
Ba't ganun lang
Suck it.
taste? Susubo
Don't,
mo.
bite the seeds.
You have to suck it.